Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Dopp bag is probably one of the most underappreciated travel companions. It's the unsung hero that keeps your grooming essentials organized and accessible, whether you're jet-setting across the globe or just hitting the gym. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Dopp bags, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you find the perfect travel companion to keep your toiletries in check. Number 5. BAGSMART Men's Toiletry Bag, Travel Organizer. This BAGSMART toiletry bag comes in two sizes to suit your needs. The large size is perfect for families, easily accommodating all your essentials. It keeps everything neatly organized. Made from water-resistant material, it's easy to clean and protects your items from splashes. The main compartment has elastic straps to keep bottles upright, and multiple pockets inside help you stay organized. The front waterproof pocket keeps wet and dry items separate. The back pocket features an elastic band and zippered pockets for better organization of various toiletries and makeup items. The dual zipper design allows for easy opening and access to your items. A hidden snap closure at the back keeps everything secure and prevents zipper snagging. This versatile bag is ideal for both home and travel. It combines a toiletry bag, shaving kit, and makeup bag into one convenient solution. It's the perfect travel companion. What we like. This bag offers a large capacity, perfect for family travel. Its multifunctional design and separate compartments keep everything organized. If you are looking for a toiletry bag that can handle all your essentials and keep them neatly separated, this is the one for you. What people say. It has multiple compartments and pockets, which have been really helpful in keeping all of my products organized and easy to find. The bag is also water resistant, which has been a major plus when traveling to places with less than ideal water conditions. It holds what I need and then fits easily into my travel bag. Number 4. Elviros Men's Travel Toiletry Bag. This bag features two outside compartments designed to keep wet and dry items separate. It's perfect for storing wet towels or swimsuits, ensuring everything stays clean and dry. It's quick and easy to clean. Crafted from PU leather with a water-resistant nylon lining, this bag is built to last. The premium zipper and reinforced seams add to its durability. It keeps moisture out and protects your belongings. Included is a waterproof drawstring pouch for gym shoes, dirty clothes, or a blow dryer. This leak-proof pouch protects against sweat and messes. It's ideal for travel and fitness. With multiple pockets inside, this bag offers ample space for all your toiletries. It keeps everything organized. The size is 9.4 L x 5.5 H x 5.5 W inches. The bag features a unique double zipper design for easy access. You can quickly see and reach everything inside. Simply pull the connected zip puller. What we like. This bag features wet separation, keeping wet items away from dry ones. It's made of water-resistant material and even includes a waterproof pouch for shoes or a hairdryer. If you like to keep your wet and dry items separate and need extra storage for your gym essentials, you should consider this. What people say. Lots of compartments and very sturdy. Quality is good and easy to use with internal side pockets for a durable travel experience. Large enough size, I bought the dark coffee-colored bag in size L. When traveling I have a brawn razor in a case, an electric toothbrush in a travel case, a hairbrush, hair gel, deodorant, smaller toiletry items, nail clippers, Q-tips, etc., chargers and supplies for my insulin pump. This will fit all of that without a problem, but I was hoping that for extended trips 7 to 10 days I'd have enough room for all of the insulin pump supplies I'd need. It won't. But for 5-day travels it will easily meet my needs, but I'm glad I didn't go smaller than the L. Also, the measurements state it's 12-inch L x 6.7 W x 7.1 H. At the very most mine is 6-inch W, maybe a tad under. I checked to make sure they didn't send me the M size, but that one was the same 6.7-inch W and only the height and length were shorter, so I know this is the L. 2. A quality double zipper so it opens wide. This one definitely opens well, allowing easy access to the main compartment, and both side compartments open fully flat. These two side compartments fully open and are large enough to fit things like a deodorant. 4. Appearance and design. I really like the appearance and design of this. This was designed well and has a good amount of pockets in her straps to organize well without losing space for larger things like an electric razor case. 5. Miscellaneous. The leather isn't top quality, but at the same time it has a nice look, is soft, and I think should hold up well enough. The water resistance outside and pockets that have water resistant interior linings are nice too. The item isn't too rigid or stiff, so when not full it will squish and provide more room in a suitcase. Number 3. EMISSARY Men's Canvas Travel Toiletry Bag. This EMISSARY toiletry bag is made of canvas and PU leather. This combination makes it lightweight yet durable, perfect for travel. The water-resistant material makes it safe for use in any environment. Designed with the traveler in mind, it includes a durable PU leather side handle. This makes carrying the bag easy while you're on the go. Whether for business or personal travel, this bag meets your needs. It's designed for both men and women. You can use it as a traditional toiletry bag, shaving kit, or carry-on for in-flight essentials. This travel bag provides adequate room for all your essentials. It measures over 9.8 inches long, 5.9 inches wide, and 4.5 inches high, with a volume of nearly 4 liters. It has a main compartment for larger items and an internal pocket for extra storage. EMISSARY offers 24-month protection. If anything happens to it in the first 2 years, contact us through Amazon, and we'll replace it or refund your purchase. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This bag is made of high-quality, durable canvas and PU leather. It's designed with travel in mind, featuring a convenient handle. If you are a frequent traveler who values durability and versatility, this bag is a great choice. What people say. Nicely made, rugged material. It is just the right size, small enough to fit inside another bag, large enough to manage all his personal items. Great little bag. Number 2. Vorspack Men's Hanging Dopp Kit, Black. This Dopp kit offers a spacious main compartment, perfect for your essentials. Inside, you'll find multiple mesh pockets to keep everything organized and easy to find. It also has a front zipper pocket for extra storage. Crafted from sturdy, water-resistant canvas, this bag is built to last. The material is durable and protects your toiletries from splashes. The bag itself is well constructed to keep its shape. Whether you're on a short trip or a business journey, this kit has you covered. It's great for bathroom supplies and easy to grab things during the trip. It also works as a cosmetic organizer. The classic and stylish design comes in various colors. It's a great gift for your husband or friends. It maintains its attractive look even after extended use. The leather handle makes it easy to carry and hang. The reinforced bottom adds durability. The zipper is smooth and easy to use, making it convenient to pack and unpack. What we like. This bag offers a large capacity with organized compartments. It's made of quality, water-resistant canvas material. If you need a stylish and spacious bag with a convenient handle, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Good amount of pocket sections to put different things in. The bag looks great and is much bigger than my previous toiletry bag. Large enough to hold many items, strong zipper, very durable. Number 1. WANDF Men's Hanging Dopp Kit, Travel Toiletry Bag. This WANDF toiletry bag is incredibly light, weighing only 3.6 ounces. It's also compact, measuring 9.5 by 4.7 by 5.9 inches, so it won't take up much space in your luggage. The side handle makes it easy to carry. You can also hang it up for easy access to your toiletries. It's made with water-resistant, durable, and ultralight nylon fabric. It also features breathable mesh and SBS zippers. The clean stitching and strong zipper closure make it super wearable. The main compartment holds larger items. There's also a zippered mesh pouch for smaller items, keeping them visible and breathable. An additional front zipper pocket provides extra storage. This versatile bag is designed for both men and women. You can use it as a traditional toiletry bag, a makeup or shaving kit, or a safe place to store your healthcare items while traveling. It's even suitable as a carry-on airline bag. What we like. This bag is smart-sized and If you are looking for a compact and lightweight travel companion, this bag is ideal for you. What people say. The bag's compartments are thoughtfully designed and help keep everything organized, which has made packing and unpacking so much easier. The quality of the materials is top-notch, and the zippers are smooth and durable, which gives me confidence this bag will hold up well over time. I love the big middle compartment that opens up nice and wide. You can fit a lot of stuff into that space and still find what you're looking for pretty easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.